bàbá olóyin Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.
Good day, Fias. Here you meet me again, Mr. Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì táwọn tọ́lọ́run bàbá olóyin kan bàbá olóyin original I'm saying at Iyesota bàbá olóyin bus stop bàbá olóyin bus stop Iyesota. I publish many books on honey and some of my books and herbs, how you can use some herbs and leaves. But mind you, my books are not yet on Amazon. When they are on Amazon, I will inform the general public. If you see any book there by Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì, it's not my own. So, and if you buy a book that is not from my source, if you ask me a question, I will not answer you. Especially these two books. Honey as a Medicine, African Power. They are the latest books. You can't get them on any bookshop, either Nigeria or overseas countries. The only WhatsApp number that can reply you, that can send book to you, the authoritative source, that when you have questions, you ask me, I will answer you, is the number you are seeing on the screen. WhatsApp numbers, Kini Show. The program you are watching today is Kini Show. 081 084 31336. 081 084 31336. You see. Then you can call me on my normal number that you know. Glow number. That's 080 54 74 94 55. 080 54 74 94 55. You see it on the screen. If anybody tell you to come and buy books somewhere, don't go. You can buy my books in Nigeria. You can buy my honey in Nigeria. When you come to Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota, Baba Oloyin bus stop, Iyesota. I have agents at Mushin. Number 4, Alokolaro Street. Number 4, Alokolaro Street, Mushin bus stop. We have a branch at Surulere. We have a branch at Bariga. We have a branch at Oshodi. We have a branch at Ikotun. That's Agode. But whenever you want to go to any of my branches, just call me or WhatsApp me to know whether they get honey and books. You know, transport fare is very expensive nowadays. Before you go to any branch, call me. I don't know whether they get honey at Surulere. I don't know whether they get honey at Bariga. If you call me, I will call them to know whether they get honey or not, so that you will not waste your transport fare. I will tell you, you can go to social place. Honey is always available there. You can go to social place, they get honey and books. Yes, this don't forget, this is my latest book. African Power. It is there I talk about these rules. Many people are buying these rules. They are buying the books and the rules because of diabetes. Somebody told me, if I know how many people diabetes has killed, I will not sell the book for 5,000 naira. Yes. Many people have died of diabetes. I lost a brother, a retired soldier, a retired police officer. When he left army, he joined the army during the Civil War, 1967 to 70. So when they were discharged, he later joined police. But he was sick. He had diabetes. They amputated his legs. When they told me, I was weeping because I never discovered these rules. I just asked some what of Brother Sunday, and they said he had died. What killed him? Say, he had a sore on his leg. They discovered it was diabetes. They said they have to amputate the leg. They amputated my brother's leg. Now, if you have diabetes, don't allow them to amputate your legs or hand before you know the truth. This is African root. Yes, it's a little bit bitter. We can use hot drink for it. We can use cold water. You can soak the roots in water. But before you know this, you have to buy my book, African Power. Yes, many things are inside this book. African Power. It's not on Amazon. You can't get it at Amazon. This is only as a medicine by Sesan Adewusi. By Sesan Adewusi, Tantolong. It's not available on any bookshop in Nigeria or overseas. You can't get the books there. You can only get it on my WhatsApp, email, Gmail, or my agents. This is on Abayosi Reda, solution to human problems. Solution to human problems. You can't get them at any bookshop. They are not at bookshop. This is Healing Power of Honey. Healing Power of Honey. You can never get them at any bookshop. When we put that bookshop, I will inform you. Not on Amazon. We are not. Our books are not on Amazon. Don't go there to buy my books. You can't get it there. My books are not at Amazon. Yes. This is my books written by Sesan Adewusi, by Paulo Original. They are not at Amazon. Yes. Today, I want to teach you some things. I want to teach you about alligator pepper. It is in this book. Yes. But I want to repeat it again. For those who never buy the book so that I can enjoy it. Some people in my area at 2 a.m. they'll be shouting Oshodi, Oshodi, Oshodi. Conductor will be shouting Oshodi. 2 a.m. Aago méjì ìdájí. I called my brother at Ibadan. I said, out of human being and this cocks, Akuko, who normally wake up before each other. He said it's human being. I said in Lagos, it is human being that wake up the cockerel. Before cockerel, we say, Kokoroko, Kokoroko. I said by 2:30, people will be rushing outside, rushing to go to work. So it is when you are rushing the cockerel, Akukwa there, then we know that it's after 2 or after 2:30. Then the cocks will begin to cockerel. They will begin to shout. Yes. And when you are going to work by 2:33, what do you know you are going to meet? It's small thing. This is alligator pepper. If you're a lady, you can just get 7 seeds. Wrap it in the paper. Put it with your bra, under your bra. All those people that normally snatch phone, they will not touch you by the special grace of God. You are a driver. You used to travel midnight. They will be touching other people. They will not stop you. They will give you your own respect. Very simple. If you're a car owner, you get your own car. It's advisable to put it in your car. It's in the book, African Power. Some people, some people they disrespect our culture. Yes. We can use this thing. When you want to go outside in the morning, you can hit 7 seeds. You can take 7 seeds with water. Go. No evil things will befall you that day by the special grace of God. This is for protection. God is only good for protection everybody. But human beings, you need to protect yourself also. This is alligator pepper. I told you. Say later, I told you I will talk about glass. Looking glass. Yes. Wait for my new book. If you have a runaway wife, runaway husband, how you can call them back with looking glass. You will see it in my new book. This alligator pepper I'm telling you, Oshatoru kì í pàdé, bèbí odò méjì kì í fojú kanra wọn. Yes, day and night can never meet each other. 1 a.m., 1 p.m., we never meet each other. How you can prepare that small medicine is in African power. African power. You will just wrap them. Alligator pepper, and day 1 a.m. in the afternoon, 1 p.m. How you will do it? When you buy the book, you will see it there. Don't forget my phone number 0054749455. That's the number you can call for both this one and Baba Oloyin Original Television. But for this program you are watching, this is Kenny Show. You can only send message on WhatsApp on this number. WhatsApp only for this number 081 084 31336. WhatsApp only for this station. WhatsApp only 081 084 31336. If you see any this number, they send you books. It's authoritative. It's from confirmed source. And if you get any message from 08054749455, is confirmed as well. My books are not on Amazon. All these books, you can get them on your email, Gmail, or your WhatsApp. If we are not around, we can send these books to you. If you are within Nigeria, if you are in Nigeria, we can send the books to you within Nigeria. Courier service will deliver to you within 3 days. Courier service. We are using a very popular courier service in Nigeria. They will deliver your book to you. They deliver your books to you. Within 3 days, you get your books. Yes, we go to courier office every Tuesday. When you pay, every Tuesday, we send our people to courier office. They send your book to you. Within 3 days, even overseas country, they used to get their books within 2 or 3 days. So this is honey. Very scarce now. That is why I'm selling for our customers who has bought my books or who want to buy the books, so that they will see honey to do what we are talking about, the honey. Yes, this one, if somebody get fibroid, how you can use honey is here. Honey as a medicine. Yes, honey as a medicine. If somebody get fibroid, you get hatred in your body. Everybody just begin to hate you without any cause. Honey as a medicine. How you can use bitter leaf is in this book. How you can use coconut water and honey to make you see money, and money retain your hand. You won't spend badly. It's in this book. Honey as a medicine. This honey as a medicine. Honey and salt. Honey and salt is in this book. Those of you that bought 50 ways of using honey, you can confirm that the book worked very effectively. We have joined that 50 ways of using honey with this one to make it 70 ways of using honey. And the new name now is honey as a medicine. This is solution to human problems. Those who get sickle cell children, they are now thanking God. Yes, sickle cell is here. Sickle cell, tuberculosis, you can get it here. Those who get staphylococcus is here. Is here. Healing power of honey. If you get staphylococcus, you cannot pregnant your wife. Never. Because you will have low sperm count. And when you have low sperm count, you eat multivitamin, you eat everything. It can't work for you unless you treat that infection that is running you. You can see it in healing power of honey. I'm back with these roots again. You can use these roots for manpower. Manpower. When your wife begins to hate you, you don't know the reason. When you are not doing your night duty very well, your wife will hate you. See, some women are buying these books and the roots. They are buying the roots and the books for their husband because they love their husband. If you are having quick ejaculation, you can use this. Yes, you can perform very well as a man by these roots. You will see the name of the roots in my book, African Power. So don't forget my phone number 08054749455. But the WhatsApp number for this station For this station, it's only WhatsApp we used to get, we used to answer. 081 084 31336. It's on the screen. Some people will still ask you, send me your phone number. Send me your phone. The number is on the screen. As you are watching, watch the phone number. Some people will see some message. I don't know your phone number. But you are watching, you see the phone number. When you are listening, we mention the phone number also. Till next time when you meet me again, remain blessed.
Bàbá Olóyin, Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì tá ń tọ́lọ́run. Gbogbo ènìyàn tó bá fẹ́ ròyìn òkìkí, ọ̀dọ̀ Sẹ̀san Adéwùsì ní kí ẹ gbà lọ.